How to clear cache and all junk file on your PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll see how to easily clear out all of the junk files from your PC. First off, you're going to go ahead and open up your Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R key. And on the search bar, you're just going to have to type in prefetch, hit enter. Now you're going to have to grant the permission to access the folder. Click on continue. You'll find all of these cache files over here. They don't take much space, but there are a lot of them which you can clear out. Just press any one of them, press Ctrl plus A, and then press Shift Delete. And tap on yes to permanently delete these items. Some of them might not get deleted because they are in use, but you basically want to clear out this folder. Again, the next step is to again go to your Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R. Now in this case, you could just go ahead and search for temp. Type in temp and hit OK. Now you'll find similar kind of files over here. I'll just click on it, press Ctrl A to select all. Now press Shift Delete. Permanently delete all of these items, press yes. Now, if there are some items in use, click on do this for all current items and then skip it. And once it's complete, you could close it out. And finally, for one last step, you could just press again Run dialog box, but this time you're going to type in %temp% and then click on OK. You'll find all of these folders over here. I'll just select all again, press Shift Delete. Repeat the same process. There are about 2,000 items, so continue to give access. And once everything is cleared out, you can skip these ones that are in use. And now finally, you can do the last step. Let's wait for a bit to complete this. And once it's completed, you can again press Windows plus R to open Run. But this time you're going to open your Clean Manager. Type in clean mgr and then hit enter. Select your drive. I'll just select C drive, press OK. And then you can find your temporary internal files, your DirectX shared or cache, and all of these files over here. You can select all if you want. I'll just select these ones that are pre-selected. You could also select recycle bin if you want, and then click on OK. Now it's going to delete all of these files. It's going to clear out 1.13 GB. Tap on delete files and it's going to clean up your drive. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.